We're on the way to Gangajan Circuit. We're taking the Piggy for our benchmarking run, do a bit of brake testing. We've still got the standard brakes in there, and because we're passing our buddy with the dyno, we thought we would see how much horsepower it's got. So like I say, a bit of benchmarking, first time at the track, and let's just see how it goes and what improvements we need to do. Because we're only going to do improvements that we prove we need to do. But that's the max there, yeah? Yeah. 112 up there. So 112, this is the torque, yeah? Yeah. What is the max torque?
See, actually here it's quite easy to see where you have the max torque. They all changes to do it. I have the maxes here. The max torque, max power is up here, right? Exactly right.
So it's around 6,000 RPM. There's no point going much further than 6,000 RPM if we've got another gear to go to.
Yeah, not really.
Rev it out.
Not much torque anyways. But on the other side, yeah, you have a few horses more. You know, actually have peak power over here. But the question is, with that torque, is it worth it? Change that lane?
Not really. Only if you're in, you're
that's
heading
where
towards
you
a
are.
corner and...
So I don't have to go around.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm like on fire. Driving faster than it should be. How does it feel? Kind of, yeah.
Jump. Right, that was round one. Engine temperature's definitely more than it was when... oh no, I'm looking at the fuel, what a muppet. Right, engine temperature's absolutely stable. Looking at the fuel, half a tank. Right, and Austin's just doing the tyre pressures. So we're up to 40, we started off at 34, and we're up to 40 on that front. And we're dropping it down to 36, yeah?
Yeah.
Lots of brake dust, look at that brake dust. Just run your finger on the brake dust. Yeah, right there. Let's clean up those discs nicely, but these are still the stock pads. These are actually Bendix. And they're okay, we've got what, 0.92 G's braking force. So what we can do is we'll put some of our brakes in there, some EBC yellow stuff, and see what happens there. But they're going to have to be run in. There's Mr. Alex over there. Right, and you check the other front one first. So if we were up to 40 psi on this tyre, started off at 34. A big quick 34.
This one's 43.
43. Okay, so drop that down to 36. And we'll also check the rears. That's warm. Right, well, let's go in there. So whether or not we take the backing off.
Yeah. Why did you take the backing off?
Because it keeps the heat in there. It says noise shield, but it'll keep the heat in there.
They're nice to have, but
Not required for racing.
want some help, let me know.
There we go, made in UK. I'm doing that, lovely jubbly. I just need to push that piston back. New old stock. Never used this before, how's this work? Does that wind back? Thought that pulled back. Goes forward. There we go. Not reaching it. So what I'm going to have to do put a brake pad on there. It's not very good. I think that's probably fully back. It's very hot. Wait! I did have some gloves on a minute ago. I think I'll put them back on again. Alright, that's all that. There we go. And then there's my spring. Where's my spring go? There. Okay, done. Alex, if you can't give the brake pedal a... Yeah. Right, these are particularly painful, but basically, oh, this one's easier. Almost easier.
Just stretch the
That's it. Then all we need to do is pop the pads in. Take those ones out. Spring goes on the inside. Spring goes on the inside. They go this way around.
pink inwards, yes?
Yeah, because I have done it wrong the other once.
You did?
I did it on a friend of mine's car. And he said, brake's grinding a bit. I said, let's have a look. I literally put the pad in like that.
Were you on any medication?
I was drinking. I was drinking. So,
Yeah.
yes, I was on medication. I was on our local liquor. If a bloke that sells brake pads for a living can't fit that set of brake pads, mind you, I can imagine EBC UK watching the video, if they ever watch one of my videos, they say, oh, you can't do it like that.
Yeah.
That'd be embarrassing.
It would.
Anybody.
Get a letter in the post. Charles
Cease and
It
desist.
has been noticed.
Cease and
Some of your social
desist.
media channels have been seen taking the shims off the back of the pads.
When we pop the spring in, the video's already stopped recording.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Can't get it in. Can't get in. Alex, just that's a cue for one of your smutty jokes.
That's what she said.
There you go. Right on cue. I haven't got a hammer and I'm not going to use a ratchet as a hammer, but I don't think that's good. I am going to use a ratchet as a hammer. Turn away. Done. See, you didn't see that.
No.
No foul, no foul, no harm. Let's get them on. We're going to run them in around the tracks. Tell me when you want the box on. Yeah, it's good enough.
Nothing coming.